Welcome back to another episode on the MAURO'S film channel. Today we have some new interesting COB light from COLBOR. They're one of the smallest yet powerful, up to 80 watts of brightness in the market right now. And we shall go straight to make an in-depth review, understand all the specs and features about these lights, and get understanding also if these lights are made for your production. With the lights you will get a great soft shell carrying case. COLBOR CL60 light, reflector, Bowman's mount adapter, light stand with an interesting slide-in design, USB-C power adapter. Just looking at the build of these lights, we notice some innovative design. The whole body is mostly built out of aluminum with some cooling vents around. Secondly, the heat dissipation element is in the front, with the fan blowing the air in the front to eliminate the heat. This makes the whole thing more compact because this heat dissipation element don't take the space inside of this build. So it's put on top and outside around the chip. And yes, the air is blown this way, and well, when you mount a softbox, this is kind of not visible. So you will actually get a smaller package with it. So the housing is really compact. The second amazing thing is that this light is powered by USB-C. You get a really chunky power brick with integrated ballast, just like you would get out of an Apple laptop. And you just connect the USB-C cable to the power port and you are ready to go. So you can use this light with a higher capacity USB-C power bank or V-mount battery that support Type-C PD3 20 volts 4 amperes and power the light in this way. On the front you'll find a single COB LED chip with a dedicated adapter, so you can mount any Bowman's mount reflector, softbox or any other accessories. On the back you'll find an interesting backlit LED screen. There are 4 buttons, 2 control knobs and the power button. Before getting to the controls and how to use this light, I will show you something interesting about them. They're interlockable to each other via the rail system that is integrated in the design of this COLBOR light. And this means that you can add more lights to your existing light stand and expand the possibility of your COLBOR CL60 light. The color rendering index is 97+. In the menu system you will be able to control Bluetooth. Yes, this light comes in with a smartphone app and you can control all the features later in the review. Fan, cooling option, smart and quiet. Both modes after testing it at full power worked really silently, and I could recommend this light also for close-up podcasts and audio recordings. The group, the communication, transmitter or receiver, or transmitter and receiver for the groups, repeater status, curve, responsiveness of the change value, smooth or sharp, language and product info with the firmware version. Under it you'll find the effects control buttons. The Kelvin value of the light goes from 2700 kelvins all the way up to 6500 kelvins, making it really versatile in the Kelvin value. So let's get straight to the smartphone control function. The app is laid out pretty intuitive and you'll be able to set up different groups and scenes. Control all the functions, CCT, effects with the rate value, flash, candlelight, pulsing, faulty bulb, lightning and bonfire. And you can also add a color correction filter preset with intensity and Kelvin value. An useful and simple app to use. This light gets really bright and you can use it with a bigger softbox without any problems. The metal body will be able to sustain the weight because the light stand base is also made out of metal. Even after a longer period of using it, the light doesn't get hot, so they implemented a really smart cooling system. And yes, this light retails for only $149. There is no other light offering these specs at that price point. So this light is one of the most versatile yet generously designed light with all the accessories in the market right now. And I doubt that you will find a better spec light. I can fully recommend these lights and they will be here to stay for my future ongoing productions. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below, I will be happy to answer to all of them. Until my next one, thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe with the bearing icon so you get notified every time I make a new video, and see you on my next one.